Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm going to be showing you how I structure my beat, how I also mix and master my beat for upload on BeatStars and YouTube. So without wasting time guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I have this beat already. So AGuitar sent me a beat for collab. So I have this beat already, but I'm going to be using this beat. I'm going to complete the beat, show you guys how I structure my beat, mix it, master it, and get it ready for upload. Yeah, so by listening to the beat, you can hear that a lot is going on. So we're going to be fixing that up, mixing it, adding some stuff to it, and just, make it into a complete beat. So I'm just going to solo the drums because, once you can get your drums hitting really hard, it's like, you've already done like half of the job. So I'm just going to try to make this beat, the drums hit really, really hard with no sounds conflicting with each other. All right, so I'm just gonna solo the drums, and let's hear what it sounds like. Nice. So I think I like the kick, so I'm just gonna leave the kick the way it is. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna rename it, and let's call this kick. So let me send this to my mixer, and the first thing I always do, is always to put my soft clipper. I just have my soft clipper there, so everything is in check. I'm not clipping, because this soft clipper does an amazing job to stop you from, from clipping. So it's just good to have it there. Then, for my kick, very nice, soft, punchy kick. So I like this kick. I'm not gonna do anything to the kick. Then for the rim shots, a nice rim. And I think what I just did for the rim, I just, put in, my smack attack because I just, want that rim shot to hit really hard. Yeah, so I'm just going to boost gain a little bit. Yeah, then let's see the other sound. Yeah, I like this. Let's call this conga. So I'm just going to call this conga. Send it to my mixer, and I think I like the way the conga is, but I think I'm just going to give it a little bit of gain. Let's just boost it up a little bit. So we can call this other one percussion, and the same thing, I'm just going to send it to my, let's see this other. Yeah, so this is another rim, and for this rim I'm just going to send it, put it in the same insert as that other first rim, which is on insert 1. Yeah, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring in my EQ and just try to take out some of the lows so that the low end is just fixed for my kick and my bass, so that I'll be able to shine well on the low end. Let's call these hi-hats. So I think I've already done a lot for the drum, so I don't think I'm basically gonna even do much on this drum, but let's see how it goes. So for my hi-hat too, I just want to put in the smack attack because I like my drums to just be as clean as it can be. Yeah, so whatever sound I know is gonna be making my my drums not as clean, just try to take it out, or use my smack attack to just tame those transients. Then let's see the drum feel. Yeah, very noisy drum feel. I might change this drum feel, but let's see how it goes. So let me just mute that down for now. Then we have these hi-hats, or this shaker, sorry. So I'm just gonna rename this. Let's call this shakers. So let's just send this. Yeah, so I think for my drums now, I love the way it sounds. I love the way the drums are sounding. And let's just go to the to the guitar. Yeah, very noisy, nice guitar vibe, but I just feel like it's a bit noisy, so I'm just gonna try to add some effects just to mellow it down. So I'm just gonna bring in my Q3, and I think there are some frequencies that I don't really like that I'm hearing. So I'm just gonna try as much as possible to just, cut out those frequencies basically. So let's see. Just gonna go with this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make this dynamic and just cut it. So let me see. I think I'm gonna add some effect from Safari pedals. So in case you don't have Safari, just go check them out. They have some nice, some nice filters. Let's see Gorilla Drive. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but let's see. Yeah, so I think I like the way it has tamed it, compared to this. Yeah. So I can see other presets that we have. Let's see. Yeah, so let me see the other melodies we have. Yeah, I think I prefer this melody. So let's start with this. Yeah, this is a Mykah melody. So with this now, I can, I could play my own chords and just start building from there. So let's go with the rim shots. So what I'm doing with vocals, what I love doing with vocals is just to add in my multi-band compressor, and that's just going to give it like the radio effect. So I'm gonna build my own chords. Yeah, so nice. So I'm just gonna add my EQ to take out some of the lows. Yeah, so I think I need to also add like a nice pad that will just be going under it. So for my pad, I think I'm gonna let me try using Peculiar Sound. So yeah. Yeah, so then I can add in like a sub bass. So for the sub bass, I'm gonna be using Omnisphere clipped sine bass for my synth bass, then clipped sine bass. Yeah, so just turn down the gain. I'm just gonna turn down the gain a little bit. Let me just side chain it with my bass, so the kick has some room to shine more. So just add in my fruity limiter. Yeah, I like the drum feel, so just send it. It's at 12. So I think for the drums, I like the way the drum feel is. I don't really need to do anything to it. So let's see what we have here. I think we have like a muted guitar or something. So So for that one, I'm just gonna add this effect. Just add like a little bit of EQ and reverb to it. To add in. So let me just play around with the bass. So I'm gonna create another bass for the for the verse. Yeah, so let's just arrange that manually. Yeah, so nice. So I think I like the way it's sounding now. So what I'm just gonna do next, I'm just gonna add in iron pusher, but before then, I'm just gonna add my fruity limiter or a limiter, and I'm just bringing iron pusher. All right, so I have iron pusher here, and let's give it some fire. I like the way it's sounding. Then let me see what I can do on my limiter. So without those stuff, it sounds like, just give it some nice weights. We go into the verse. So for my chorus, sorry, recently I just like making it eight bars. So just copy this vocal sample, just put it here. Yeah, so what I just do is just copy the same, for my verse 2, the same thing, and use it as the same as my verse 1. I'm just gonna copy that, use it as my verse 2, and add the hook again, which is just the same hook. And so this is just basically how I structure my beats. Then for the outro, I can just copy the same thing as the intro. But the intro had like a build up. So when we get here, yeah, so I think for me this is sounding nice. Yeah, guys, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, man, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, man. Turn the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you are yet to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video. And joining the Patreon, you have access to amazing amazing features right on the Patreon channel. And if you want to enter the giveaway, all you just have to do is, click the link I'm gonna leave in the description, and you'll be taken to a video where I made a beat. All you just have to do is complete that beat and send it over to me, and I'm just gonna pick the best. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.